I picked up this Jackson USA SL1 at an estate sale with a few other guitars. Some of them were in pretty good shape. This one was really dirty and looked like the previous owner perhaps did some mods to it. There's a volume knob missing, as you see there. Everything looks really good on it. Just dirty and neglected, and I'm curious to see what's in the electronic cavity, but for now we'll just do the tear apart. The usual, there's something spilled on the back, probably beer or pop or something. I didn't see anything wrong inside the Floyd. It just looked dirty and needed a good cleaning and oiling up. So I opened up the control cavity, and there it is. There's something or another, a big glob of tape. There's the volume knob was in there, or the tone knob. It was in the wrong spot. Some of the wiring was a little gobby and wonky. Other than that, it looked all original. I had to switch things around, kind of go through that little rat's nest. Did some resoldering of the pickups. I couldn't live with that solder joint the last owner made, but it all looks great now. So shining it up a little bit before I put it back together. I don't see any gouges in it, any huge scratches. It's just in really good condition overall. I'm really surprised. The frets look good. It's shining up nice. Even the end there at the headstock doesn't have a ding in it. So now I'm oiling the fretboard and cleaning the Floyd Rose, which I wound up tearing completely apart and went, and oiled every little thing like you're supposed to and clean it really well and all the threads. I didn't show that on video because I figured that'd be another video. And here I'm installing it. I like to throw tape on it so it doesn't fall over, or fall out, excuse me. And then I have a spacer back there so it doesn't dive either. Put some Ernie Balls 09s on it. Start winding it up. I'm kind of curious to see what it sounds like. I did wind up finding the original bridge pickup in another Jackson, a cheap Jackson, probably $100 special, and it was the original one that went in this one. So I didn't catch that on this video, but I went ahead and switched it out. You'll see it in the final. Well, I'll get back to that. Getting it all locked in and tuned up. Looks like it's ready to roll. Shined up really nice. The knobs, which I found on another guitar, and there it is, all done. Hanging on my wall. Plays fantastic. Just like you would expect from a USA Jackson. And there's that pickup I was talking about. Sure is nice, sitting next to that Grover Jackson. And there's that on the left, that cheap Jackson that other pickup was in.